Good morning, students. Yesterday, we discussed inverse of a matrix, inverse of a square matrix, and a square matrix exists the inverse. That inverse is unique. I discussed a small theorem on unique of a square matrix, inverse matrix, and also discussed the important theorem, that is AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Then what is meant by elementary transformations? I discussed what is meant by elementary transformations, and also how to prove, how to find out the inverse of a given 2 by 2 matrix. That type of problems is given in previous PUC examinations. That is, it should be a 3 marks question. Compulsory, they given 3 marks question. That's why yesterday we discussed one question. I think one or two questions. I think second question is over. And third question in 3.4, third question, that is 1, 3, A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 7. A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 7. Find the inverse of the given matrix by using elementary operations. Yesterday, I discussed only by using row operations. Everyone must use the row operations only. So we get by using column operations also. But everyone must practice on row operations. That is better. For row operations, you take first A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. That is, A is here 1, 3, 2, 7 is equal to I is 1, 0, 0, 1, A. So here, most important points. First, you make this element is 0. Then you make this element is 0. First you make this element is 0. Then you make this element is 0. Then the problem is very easy. So what is here? What we are doing here? First you make this is I. Same operations apply here also. You get some matrix, that is A inverse into A. Then you get A inverse is here. That's why our target is first you make this matrix is I by using elementary row operations. You make this matrix is I by using elementary operations. By using elementary operations. That is the first step. You make this element is 0. So that is R2 goes to, this is R2. R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1. R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1. R2 is 2 minus 2R1 is 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2, you get 0. That is the first operation. R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2, that is first row. You write first row 1, 3, no change. So change in the second row. 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 0. Here 7 minus 2 into 3, that is 7 minus 6, 1 is equal to matrix. First row same 1, 0. Here 0 minus 2 into 1, 0 minus 2 into 1, 2, that is minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 0, that is 1. A. Then next point, you make here this element is 0. You make this element is 0. That is R1 goes to, Here R1 is 3 is there. 3 minus 3 you get 0. That's why R1 goes to R1 minus 3 R2. R1 goes to R1 minus 3 R2. Yes, change in R1. So that is 1 minus 3 into 0. 1 R1 1 minus 3 into 0. 0 1 minus 0 1. Here 3 minus 3 into 1. 3. 3 minus 3, that is 0. Second row is same, 0, 1 is equal to, here apply the same 1 minus 3 into minus 2. 1 minus 3 into minus 2. 1 plus 6, that is 7. 0 minus 3 into 1, that is 3, that is minus 3. So second row is same, minus 2, 1 into A. So here you get I. I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to matrix 7 minus 3 minus 2, 1. That's the third problem. Yes, fourth problem. A is equal to matrix 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Solution, that is A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. So A is given here 2, 3, 5, 7 is equal to I is 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Let us do the same process. Here you make this element is 0 first. First this element is 0 by using this element only. You make this element is 0 by using this element, that is R2 goes to 2R2, 2R2, 2 5s are 10 minus 5R1, 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 10 you get 0. R2 goes to 2R2 minus 5R1, that is here R1 is same, you write 2, 3. So R2 is 2 into 5 minus 5 into 2, that is 10 minus 10, then you get 0 here. 2R2, 2 into 5 minus 5R1, 5 into 2, 10 minus 10, 0. Same, 2 into R2, that is 2, 7, 2 into 7 minus 5 into 3, that is 2 7s, 14 minus 15 minus 1. That is equal to matrix R1 is same, 1, 0. So on second row operation, same operation apply here. 2 into 0 minus 5 into 1. 2 into 0 minus 5 into 1. That is minus 5. Yes, 2 into 1 minus 5 into 0. 2 minus 0, that is 2 here into A. First we want make this element is 0 by using this element. That's why I can apply this operation. R2 goes to 2R2 minus 5R1. Next, you make this element is 0. That is R1 goes to, here observe this. This, you make this element is 0 by using this element only. So this is 3. You can multiply 3 for this element, you get minus 3. Then adding both, you get 0. That is R1 goes to R1 plus 3R2. R1 goes to R1 plus 3R2. That is matrix. R1 goes to, that's why this is the matrix, 2 plus 3 into 0. 2 plus 3 into 0. That is, you get again 2. Here 3 plus 3 into minus 1. 3 plus 3 into minus 1. Minus 3. 3 minus 3. That is 0. And second row, 0 minus 1 is equal to same operation apply here. That is R1, 1 plus 3 into R2, that is minus 5. 1 minus 15, that is minus 14. Next R1, that is 0 plus 3 into R2, that is 2. That is 0 plus 6, that is 6. Second row you write same, minus 5, 2 into A. Into A. Next, you make this element is 1 and this element is 1. That's why dividing the first row with 2, dividing the second row with minus 1, that is R1 goes to R1 by 2 and R2 goes to R2 by minus 1. R1 goes to R1 by 2 and R2 goes to R2 by minus 1. R1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1, 0 by 2, 0. Second row, 0 by minus 1, 0. Minus 1 by minus 1, plus 1. Here minus 1 by minus 1, plus 1 is equal to, here apply the same operation. R1 goes to R1 by 2, that is minus 14 by 2, minus 7, 6 by 2, 3. So R2 by minus 1, minus 5 by minus 1, plus 5, 2 by minus 1, minus 2 into A. Here we get I is equal to A inverse into A. That is A inverse is equal to matrix minus 7, 3 and 5 minus 2. Minus 7, 3, 5 minus 2. Next, fifth problem. A is equal to matrix 2, 1, 7, 4. 2, 1, 7, 4. Yes, solution. A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. That is A is 2, 1, 7, 4 is equal to I is the matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. So same. First, you make this element is 0 by using this element. This is 7, this is 2. Multiplying 2 with 7, 14. Multiplying 2 with 7, 14. 14 minus 14, you get 0. That is R2 goes to 2R2 minus 7R1. R2 goes to 2R2 minus 7R1. That is matrix. Apply the operation. R1 is same, you write 2, 1, no change. In R2, 2 into 7 minus 7 into 2. 2 into 7 minus 7 into 2. 14 minus 14, then you get 0. Here, 2 into 4 minus 7 into 1. So 2 4s 8 minus 7, that is 1, is equal to matrix. You write the same R1, 1, 0. For the second row, 2 into 0 minus 7 into 1. 0 minus 7, that is minus 7. And 2 into 1 minus 7 into 0, that is 2 minus 0, that is 2 into A. Next, here you make this element is 0 by using this element. Directly 1 minus 1 you get 0. That is R1 goes to R1 minus R2. R1 goes to R1 minus R2. That is 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Second row is same, 0, 1 is equal to here also same operation. 1, 1 minus of minus 7, 1 minus of minus 7, that is plus 7. 1 plus 7, that is 8. Next, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Second row is same, minus 7 and 2. A. So here already 1 is there. We required 1 here. You get 1 here, then you get 1 0 0 1. That is, we get I. That's why we required 1 here. That's why dividing R1 with 2. That is, R1 goes to R1 by 2. That's enough. That is 2 by 2, 1, 0 by 2, 0, 0, 1 is equal to, same operation here, 8 by 2, 4, minus 2 by 2, minus 1, minus 7, 2, A. So this is I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to matrix 4 minus 1 minus 7 2. Yes, sixth question. A is equal to matrix 2, 5, 1, 3. Yes, solution. A is equal to IA. That is 2, 5, 1, 3 is equal to 1001A. So 0 required here by using this element. 0 required here, that is R2 goes to 2R2 minus R1. 2R2, 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, you get 0. R2 goes to, yes, R1 you write same, 2, 5. R2 goes to 2R2, 2 into 1 minus R1 is 2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Same, 2R2, that is 3, sorry. 2 into 3, 6, minus R1 is 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Same operation apply here. R1 is same, 1, 0. So this is 2 into 0 minus 1. 2 into 0, 2R2. 2 into 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. 2 into 1 minus 0. 2 into 1 minus 0. 2 minus 0, that is 2. Into A. Next, you make this element is 0 by using this element. So you can multiply 5 with this element and subtract from this element, you get 0. That is R1 goes to R1 minus 5R2. R1 goes to R1 minus 5R2. You can estimate the operation carefully. That is, you can follow the tips. First you make this element is 0 by using this element. Next you make this element is 0 by using this element, like that. So here 5 is there, we required 0 here. By using this element only, there is no option, only this element for you. So that's why multiplying with 5 and subtracting from 5, you get 0. That's why R1 goes to R1 minus 5R2. That is, so first row R1 2 minus 5 into 0 here. 2 minus 5 into 0, 0. That is, you get again 2. 5 minus 5 into 1. That is 5 minus 5. 0. Here 0. And second row same. 0, 1 is equal to same operation apply here also. That is R1 to 1 minus 5 into minus 1. That is 1 plus 5. You get 6. And 0 minus 5 into 2. That is minus 10. Minus 10 here. So second row same, minus 1, 2 into A. Then we required 1 here. That's why R1 goes to R1 by, R1 goes to R1 by 2. That is 2 by 2, 1, 0 by 2, 0. Second row same, 0, 1. Here also first row, R1 by 2, 6 by 2, 3, minus 10 by 2, minus 5, minus 1, 2 into A. This is I is equal to A inverse into A. I is equal to A inverse into A. That is A inverse is equal to matrix 3, minus 5, minus 1, 2. Yes, seventh problem. 3152. 3152. This is the given matrix A. Yes, let us do that. Solution. A is equal to IA. What is A here? That is 3152 is equal to I is 1001 into A. So first you make this element 0. I require this element 0. By using this element only, that's why multiplying 5 with 3, multiplying 3 with 5, then subtraction. That is R2 goes to 3R2 minus 5R1. R2 goes to 3R2 minus 5R1. That is the only operation to make this element is 0. That is applying the operation. So you read the first row is same 3, 1, R2. That is 3 into 5 minus 5 into 3. 3 into 5 minus 5 into 3. That is 0. And 3 into 2 minus 5 into 1. 6 minus 5. That is 1. Same operation apply here. First row same, no change, 1, 0. Second row, 3 into 0 minus 5 into 1. That is 0 minus 5 minus 2. And this is 3 into 1 minus 5 into 0. Then you get 3 minus 0. That is 3 into A. Next, we require this element is 0. Simply 1 minus 1 you get 0. That's why R1 goes to R1 minus R2. R1 goes to R1 minus R2. That is 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Second row is same, 0 and 1 is equal to here 1 minus of minus 2. 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2, that is 3. 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Second row same, minus 2 and 3 into A. Next, we required 1 here. That's why R1 goes to R1 by 3. R1 goes to R1 by 3. That is 1, 0, 3 by 3, 1, 0 by 3, 0. Second row 0 and 1 is equal to 3 by 3, 1, minus 3 by 3, minus 1, minus 2 by minus 2, same, minus 2 and 3 into A. Just wait. Problem number 7, 3152. Okay. A is equal to IA, 3152. 3R2 minus 5R1. Okay, 0. 3 2s 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, 3, 1. Okay. Here, 3 into 0, 0 minus 5. I do wrong here. Here apply the operation 3 into 0 minus 5 into 1. You get minus 5 here. Next, 3 into 1 minus 5 into 0. You get 3. Okay, here minus 5. This is minus 5. Next here, R1 goes to R1 minus R2. Then you get 3 minus 0. 3, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1 same. Here, 3, 1 minus of minus 5, 6. 1 minus of minus 5, that is 6. That is minus 3, minus 5, and 3. So R1 by 3, 2 here, 6 by 3, 2, minus 3 by 3, minus 1. This is minus 5 and 3. Then you get the answer. That is I is equal to A inverse into A. Then A inverse is equal to matrix 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. That is the answer. A inverse is equal to matrix 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. That's the 7th problem. Next, 8th problem. 4 5 3 4. A is equal to matrix 4 5 3 4. This is the matrix given. Solution. A is equal to IA. That is matrix 4 5 3 4 is equal to 1 0 0 1 into A. Yes, we make this element is 0. That is R2 goes to 4R2, that is 4 3 is 12, minus 3R1, 3 4 is 12. You get 0. That's why this is, first you write R1 is same, 4 5, and instead of R2, that is 4 into 3 minus 3 into 4, 12 minus 12, this is 0, and 4 into 4 minus 3 into 5, 16 minus 15, 1 here. Same operation here also. First row 1 0 same. Second row 4 into 0 minus 3 into 1. 0 minus 3 is this, and 4 into 1 minus 3 into 0. 4 minus 0, that is 4 here into A. So next, you make this element is 0. In the first row, the second element, you make it is 0 by using this element. So operation is R1 goes to R1 minus 5R2. That is, you can multiply with 5. This is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 minus 5, you get 0. That is, first row, 4 minus 5 into 0. That is 0. That is 4. 5 minus 5 into 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Second row same, 0 and 1 is equal to same operation apply here also. R1, 1 minus 5 into minus 3. 1 minus 5 into minus 3. 1 plus 15. 1 plus 15 is 16. 0 minus 5 into 4. 0 minus 5 into 4, that is minus 20. Second row is same, minus 3 and 4 into A. Then here we required 1. That's why dividing the first row with 4. Dividing the first row with 4, that is R1 goes to R1 by 4. That is 4 by 4, 1, 0 by 4, 0, 0, 1 is equal to, first row is dividing with 4, that is 16 by 4, 4, minus 20 by 4, minus 5, minus 3 and 4 into A. So this is I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to matrix 4 minus 5 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 5 minus 3, 4. Next, ninth problem. 310 to 7. 310 to 7. Yes, solution. A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. That is matrix 3, 10, 2, 7 is equal to, I is the matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. So here you make this element is 0. Multiplying with 3, you get 6. Here multiplying with 2, you get 6. 6 minus 6, 0. That's why R1, R2 goes to 3R2 minus 2R1. R2 goes to 3R2 minus 2R1. That is a 3R2, 3 into 2 minus 2 into R1, 3. 6 minus 6, 0. So you write the first row is same, 3, 10. This is 0. And here 3 into 7 minus 2 into 10. 3 7s, 21 minus 20. That is 1 is equal to, here R1 is same, 1, 0. So 3 into 0 minus 2 into 1, 0 minus 2, you get minus 2 here. And 3 into 1 minus 2 into 0, 3 minus 0, that is 3 here into A. Then we required 1 here, 0 here by using this element. That's why multiplying 10 with this element, that is a 10 into 1, 10, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. That's why our operation is R1 goes to R1 minus 10 R2. R1 goes to R1 minus 10 R2. That is 3 minus 10 into 0. 3 minus 10 into 0. That is you get again 3. 10 minus 10 into 1. That is 10 minus 10. That is 0. Second row same 0 and 1 is equal to same operation here. 1 minus 10 into minus 2, that is 1 plus 20, that is 21. Next 0 minus 10 into 3, 30, that is minus 30. R2 is the same, minus 2 and 3 into A. Then we required 1 here. That's why dividing the first row with 3. That's R1 goes to R1 by 3. 3 by 3, 1. 0 by 3, 0. 0, 1 is equal to matrix. 21 by 3, 7. Minus 30 by 3, minus 10. Minus 2, 3. A. This is I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to matrix 7 minus 10 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 10 minus 2, 3. Yes, 10th problem. 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2. A solution. A is equal to IA. That is matrix 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 is equal to I matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Here you make this element is 0. This is minus 4. So 3 into minus 4 minus 12. 4 into 3 plus 12. Minus 12 plus 12. You get 0. That's why R2 goes to three R2 plus 3R2 plus 4R1. R2 goes to 3R2 plus 4R1. That is, you write R1 is same, 3 minus 1, 3R2, 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into R1 is 3, minus 12 plus 12, that is 0, and 3 into R2, 2, plus 4 into R1, minus 1, 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2, 2 is equal to matrix R1 you write same 1, 0. Next 3R2, 3 into 0, plus 4R1, 4 into 1, get 0 plus 4, 4, 3R2, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0, that is 3 into A. Yes. Here you make this element is 0 by using this element. So multiplying with this element is 2, you get minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, you get 0. That's why R1 goes to 2R1 plus R2. R1 goes to 2R1 plus R2. That is here 2R1, 2 into 3 plus R2 is 0 here. That is you get 6. 2R1, that is 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Second row same, 0 and 2 is equal to matrix 2R1, 2 into 1 plus R2, 4. That is 2 plus 4, 6. 2 into 0 plus 3. That is 3. Next, second row same, 4, 3 into A. Here, we required 1 here and 1 here. That's why R1 goes to R1 by 6. R1 goes to R1 by 6 and R2 goes to R2 by 2. R1 goes to R1 by 6, R2 goes to R2 by 2. That is 6 by 6, 1, 0 by 6, 0, 0 by 2, 0, 2 by 2, 1 is equal to matrix 6 by 6, 1, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 4 by 6, 4 by 2, sorry, 4 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. A. There's something wrong. So what is the problem given? Again verify. 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2. Here we required this is 0. That's why 3R2 plus 4R1. 3 into minus 4 minus 12. 4 into 3 12. Minus 12 plus 12 0. 2 3s 6. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 6 minus 4 2. Correct. 1 0 same. Next. 3 into 0 0 plus 4 into 1 4, that is 4. 3 into 1 3 plus 4 into 0 0, that is 3. Okay. Next operation. Here we required 0. R1 goes to 2R1 plus R2. Correct. That is 2R1, 2 into 3, 6 plus 0, 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 2, 0. Second row same, 0, 2. Here, 2 into 1, 2 plus 4. 2 into 1, 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. 2 into 0 plus 3. Yes, 3. 4, 3. Okay. Yes. X minus 4 1 by 2 3 2 3 1 4 1 correct 1 1 by 2 2 3 by 2 correct. Yes. Oh, sorry. That is I is equal to A inverse into A. That is A inverse is equal to 1 1 by 2 and 2 3 by 2. Yes, next problem. 11th problem. 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. Yes, solution. A is equal to IA. 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2 is equal to 1001 into A. Here you make this element is 0 first. Multiplying 2 with this element, that is you get 2. 2 minus 2 you get 0. That is R2 goes to R2 minus R1. R2 goes to 2R2 minus R1. So that is R1 is same, you write 2 minus 6, 2R2, 2 into 1 minus 2, that is 0. 2 into minus 2, minus of minus 6, that is minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus of minus 6 plus 6, minus 4 plus 6 plus 2. Here apply the same operation. First row same 1 0. Second, that is 2 into 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. 2 into 1 minus 0, that is 2 into A. Then you make this element is 0. We require this element is 0. Here 2 is there. Multiplying with 3, this number, 3 2s 6. Adding both, you get 0. That is R1 goes to R1 plus 3R2. R1 goes to R1 plus 3R2. That is 2 plus 3 into 0. 2 plus 3 into 0. That is 2 same. Minus 6 plus 3 into 2. Minus 6 plus 3 into 2. Minus 6 plus 6, that is 0. And it's 0 2 same, second row. Here apply for first row also, that is minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4. Next 0 plus 3 into 2, that is 6. 6, 0 plus 6, 6. Second row same, minus 1, 2 into A. So we required 1 here and 1 here. That is R1 goes to R1 by 2. and R2 goes to R2 by 2. R1 goes to R1 by 2 and R2 goes to R2 by 2. That is 1, 0, 0, 1. You get here 2 by 2, 1, 0 by 2, 0. Here 0 by 2, 0, 2 by 2, 1 is equal to matrix R1 by 2, that is minus 4 by 2, minus 2, 6 by 2, 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1. Yeah. Verify this. R1 goes to R1 plus 3R2. R1 is 0 plus 3 into R2, that is 6. Huh? Where? Yeah?
Minus 2, 3, minus 1 by 2, and
1 plus minus 2, 3.
minus 1.
Here, అదే ఏంటి రాంగ్. మైనస్ 1 అక్కడ రావాలంటే అక్కడ మైనస్ 2 రావాలి. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 2 రావాలంటే అప్లై దిస్ ఆపరేషన్. ఇక్కడ కరెక్టేనా? R2 goes to 0 minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 0, 2, okay. Next, R1 goes to R1 plus 3R2. R1, 1, 1 plus 3R2, wrong. 1 plus 3 into minus 1. 1 minus 3, minus 2 here. Then you get minus 1 here. That is correct. So, I is equal to A inverse into A. That is, A inverse is equal to matrix minus 1, 3, minus 1 by 2, 1. Today time is over. Tomorrow we will continue and another problems 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 and 18. Tomorrow we will continue and go to miscellaneous problems.